Ndi Nkem kakunumetata no kofuma. This is Munonyedi and this is Bridging with Munonyedi. Bridging with Munonyedi, as you all know, is where I talk about the things that are long forgotten and other times I talk about the things that matter. Today, I was editing a video and then I realized that there was something that I didn't mention. So here I am in the middle of the night making that video. Forgive me if the video is not really clear. No go no. Thank you in advance. So in my previous video, I did mention that when you venerate, you only venerate loved ones that are in the world beyond, ancestors. But here is what you can do for the people that are not ancestors, people that are alive and with you. Well, for veneration, you lower the people that are past. That's where the word Mmuo comes, to venerate the spirit, to love, to appease, to in the process of Ilo, you appease. In the process of Ilo, you can supplicate in the process. So that's the process, right? Now, for those that are alive, what you do is you go one more, and that's like it. That's the same thing as Igor fund on their lives. So that is what you can do for the people who are alive and here with us, while we venerate the people who are passed by Ilowa, right? We ask, supplicate, lobby them to be on our side, not just our ancestors, spirits as well. So the Mmuo is a spirit. So various spirits could mean your ancestors, could mean deities, could mean anything. So in our law is to lobby, supplicate, ask, beg. You can also law in gratitude. Then on the other side, for those who are alive here, whenever die, what you do is you go one more to go to affirm, speak life, speak positive things into their lives, add more years with your words to theirs. That is what you do. So there are two different types of prayers. One is to affirm, to add more life, to strengthen, and more like, God, keep this person, it will be well with you, your paths will always be free of obstacles, that sort of prayer. That's ego more and ego for. Now, for the other one, you say, oh, okay, here we are again. Oh, thank you for all the things that you've been doing for us. So this is a small thing that we have brought to thank you and to also ask you that please continue to help me and show me the way. I hope that I am able to make it clear, and I hope that you're able to understand. So go and enjoy the rest of your day. No, don't know, Fuma. Bye.